These are some things people don't tell you about Nigerian puff-puff. These are some new updates on how to get a perfect puff-puff in 2020. After watching this straightforward video, you should be able to make the best puff-puff. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to another recipe video. Now let's get into it. The accurate measurement of your ingredients will be in the description. Always sieve your flour to remove dirt and make it easy to work with. Always use a transparent container for your puff-puff. Add in your other ingredients accurately. You are using an instant yeast that is not yet expired. Whether you're making for your customer or your family, do not reduce any ingredient. Anytime you reduce your ingredient, you reduce the quality and the quantity of your puff-puff. Whenever you decide to go and learn low quality snacks, remember that your customers will always be people that don't regard any good thing. So always choose wisely. So for your puff-puff, you use warm water that you can work. While mixing your puff-puff, there are some ingredients you're going to set aside first. This is one of the updates and there's a reason you're doing it. The first puff-puff I did, I'll put it in the description. You will see what I'm talking about. You see your pepper and onions, there is no business with it rising with the puff-puff. When you add in your pepper and onions to rise together with your puff-puff, it automatically changes the taste, which is not good if truth be told. Don't worry, I will tell you when to add your pepper in this video, so keep watching. Now this is the reason you use transparent containers, to know when your puff-puff dough is ready to be fried. Now this is another update. I want to correct the issue of timing. You see those holes in your puff-puff? If you don't see it, don't fry it. It doesn't matter if it takes 2 hours. The temperature in our houses are different. You add in your pepper and onions when the dough is ready to be fried. Then you mix very well and start putting into not so hot oil. Now if you're not sure of the temperature of the oil, you're going to use 1 scoop dough of puff-puff to check it out. If you put the dough and it doesn't come up, it's not ready. And if the dough begins to change color quickly, it's too hot. Off the fire immediately and wait for it to cool down. When you start frying the puff-puff, make sure you're close to the frying pan. Use your spoon to stir to make sure everything fries evenly. Now you're going to fry to golden brown. But if your customer wants you to fry it very well till it becomes brown, you also have to obey this decision because customers are always right. Just continue to stir till you get your desired color. Are you seeing how yummy this puff-puff looks? If you want to perfect your Nigerian snacks and Nigerian food recipes, I offer one-on-one training. Thanks for watching. Do check my channel for other amazing recipes. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you on the other video.